Piggies! Good piggies! Now we can cut the nails. In this video, I'll talk about this dog hammock that I made for free. I love coming up with solutions that are free and make your life easier. And this makes cutting dogs' nails much easier. This is my dog Piglet. And her nails are way too long. But when you cut a dog's nails, they move around a lot. Look at these nails. Oh, man. So if you cut the nails and their feet are on the ground, then they can kind of push off and move. It makes it a lot harder. So a while back, I built this. It's exactly what it looks like. It's just one leg from a pair of jeans that were broken. So I think I just cut it along here. So this is a pair of jeans. I cut it along here. Then I cut some holes for my dog's feet, and I just put some rope around it. So the idea is to hang the dog in like a hammock from this bar that I have across this chair and the table. Then Piglet's legs will be off the ground, so she can't really push off. And then I can just focus on cutting her nails one at a time, and it's just way, way easier. So the good thing about this is it's absolutely free. Well, I guess I paid for this string, but this was going to go in the garbage, this pair of jeans that were broken. No, come here. I know. You're very scared. Let's get into the cool thing, okay? So I gotta put her in here. It's okay. I gotta put her in here. This is the hardest part for sure. The paws have to go in the holes, so 4 paws and 4 holes. More paws and more holes. Okay? And then, it's okay, piggies. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bar through here, like this. It's okay? Oh, you're heavy. All right. There we go. How you doing? Good, piggies. Whoop. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. All done, piggies.